Alright, last stage of the fabled baked Alaska. So, quick recap. In the freezer I will have my iced raspberry parfait that I made the other day. Alright, out of the same metal rings as these. So I'm using this as a guide for my jacond. The jacond, as we say, like I said, needs to be flexible, so this is quite flexible. Yeah, don't want to be messing with it too much because obviously I'm going to be using it, going to be cutting it. Stuck a little bit around the edges, but for what I need it for, I'm not that worried. Trim it up, happy days, I'll be working off that fine. Basically, I'll be using the guide, so I've got enough for me too, as well as my discs, so that should be fine. Alright, I'm making an Italian meringue as we speak. Basically I've got some sugar on the go over here. That's the sugar and water mix that's going to be brought up to 121 degrees. I have my piping bag ready in the background there. I've got my jaconds, I'll be getting my iced parfaits out in a moment, and over here on the KitchenAid I've got my meringue. Remember, as I said, we're just taking it nice and slowly, you're not rushing it. You're going to get them proteins working nicely so that you keep volume, and then basically they are able to hold a lot better. Alright, so that's going to go, the sugar mix, syrup's going to go in with the meringue, and basically from there make the Italian meringue in your piping bag, cut my rings out, wrap my iced parfait onto my tray, and either the blowtorch, if I have enough gas, I don't know, I'll have to check that. If not, a high temperature oven. Classically that baked Alaska is exactly that. That's exactly what it was. It was something that was frozen and served hot. So it was a mixture of textures and temperatures. Some places, like in Japan, they had a very similar version, and that used to be flambéed before it was brought out into the restaurant, so a bit of a showstopper as it were. So basically this is nice and gentle, going to move it up a little speed just so we can get it going so that it's ready for when the sugar comes on board. Again, the sugar's just starting to dissolve down now. I'll put the temperature probe in a moment. I'm just going to go and get one of the parfaits out ready to rock. Half is there. I'll come back when I'm ready to start the process.